If the ratio of the sum of first n terms of two APs is 7n plus 1 is to 4n plus 27, then find the ratio of their ninth terms. Now, there are two APs involved. I'm going to take the first AP's terms to be small a plus d, a plus 2d, and so on. And for the second AP, so the terms will be a capital A plus d capital A plus 2d, and so on, where the a represents the first term, d represents the common difference. Now, what is given? The sum of n terms for the first AP. So let me write it as sum of n of the first AP that divided by sum of n terms of the second AP. So that is equal to 7n plus 1 divided by 4n plus 27. Okay, now we are supposed to find what? We are supposed to find small a9 is to capital A9, the ratio of their ninth terms. Now, this A9 can be written as what? A plus 8D, all small, and this can be written as capital A plus 8D. Now, the summation formula would be n by 2. This is what we are supposed to find, but I'm just rewriting whatever is given. I'm going to solve from that perspective. So n by 2 times of, for the first AP, it would be 2a plus small n minus 1 into d, the whole divided by n divided by 2 to capital A plus n minus 1 into, here it will be capital D, because these two are two different APs. That is equal to 7n plus 1 divided by 4n plus 27. Now, n by 2 and n by 2, these two terms get cancelled. If you observe, this is 2a, this is 2a. But what are we supposed to find? Small 1a and small 1a. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to rewrite this ratio that we are supposed to find. We are supposed to find a9 is to a9. That I'm going to multiply 2 on the numerator. Okay, 2 on the numerator as well as on the denominator. It does not change the ratio. It is still the same ratio. 2a plus 16d is to 2 capital A plus 16 capital D. Now, if you observe, we need n minus 1's value. And if we compare the ratio here, whatever we are supposed to find, if we compare this with this, there is a 2a, there is a 2a. N minus 1 into d, but it is 16 small d. N minus 1 into capital D, 16 capital D. So clearly, n minus 1, if we can substitute that to be equal to 16, n becomes 17. So now, we have a number, we have a value to be substituted in place of n so that we can arrive at a9 is to a9. So using this ratio, I'm going to find n is equal to 17. So that makes it 2a plus 17 minus 1, which is 16 small d, divided by 2a plus 2 capital A plus 16 capital D. That would be, in place of n, on the right hand side also I'm substituting 7 times of 17 plus 1. The whole divided by, this would be 4 times of 17 plus 27. So this becomes what? 7 into 17 is 119 plus 1 is 120 divided by 95. 68 plus 27 is 95. Now, this we can bring it back to the original form, which is a9 is to a9. So, a9 is to capital A9, which is nothing but, if you simplify this, this becomes 24 is to 19. That